Yo, what's up, guys? I'm in the middle of editing a cinematic, working on the car video, and I just wanted to give a little update. My last video was like 1 minute and 30 seconds, and it did very well with views, like based on what my normal average is. So I'm gonna try and focus on that kind of style, the more like cinematic style and stuff like that, while also like fitting in like a vlog every once in a while. But the car's been down for 3 days. I needed front wheel bearings, so I went and got the front wheel bearings pressed. Got the whole car put back together. I'm struggling with finding a fucking axle nut. For some reason, it's a fucking $2 nut and I can't fucking find it. So it's just like, I don't know, just doing what I can to get the car back on the road for the meet tomorrow, but I guess we'll figure out if this video comes out by then. But well, here it is. I hope you enjoy it. I'm a photographer as well. All my photos are for sale, and the link below, my Instagram's below. Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy it, and let me know if I should keep making stuff like this. But until next time, guys.